start. Pins here. That's what you gotta remove, but you can't see through that case because you probably got a stock case. But to start off, you just get a screwdriver and pull these out just like that. I got a special tool. Pull it in there, you can kind of see the pin when you look down in that little gap right there. You don't have to take the black off, as some tutorials say. There's one there. There's one hidden right here. There's not one on the other side. And that one's already popped on this case. I forget. I need this one. It's going into my ghost mount for this case. Release. Boom. Lay it face down. Then there's ghost case. There's a hole right there. It makes it real easy. You don't get that. But you have to pop that piece right there to get it released. The other piece is easy, just as easy as that one, but pain in the patella still. To get the top plastic off, black ones, you're trying to get the motherboard out. You gotta take the silver ones out, but we're just taking the blackies. Yeah, I got you some more screws that don't strip.
Oh yeah, since you stripped mine.
This is the tool. This is not actually the right tool that came with the case. This was the security size smaller. That's what's funny about it. I got the big yellow ones in the room, and the bigger version of these with the torch, and they work perfect. Just look at it. This thing and this thing came with the ghost case when we ordered it.
What thing came with it?
What?
That and what?
And the screwdriver?
Really? Screwdriver came with it? That's awesome.
This little T, whatever. I think it's like T9. Oh, I can't read that. It's a security though. So I'm about to have to use to take a controller apart. I can't find mine. Part of it, I don't know how to look at them. Black screws are out. Since I've already taken the metal casing out of here, I don't have to take this out. If you take, like the first time taking it apart, you gotta take your Wi-Fi adapter out before you pull that metal out. It will damage it. Pull it up like that. Since this case is aftermarket, it doesn't want to release like it's supposed to. Don't want rippity ribbons. Now this part, just make sure your ribbon's around it and pop it so it doesn't rip it. Because if you rip it, you gotta buy a new one. That's how you take it apart. From there, it's pretty easy.
That's it.